Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome to day 3 of our 7-day anatomy challenge. Look, yesterday we talked about the skeletal system. And today, we're going to discuss the system that actually moves those bones, the muscular system. Part 1. What is the muscular system? See, your body has more than 600 muscles. This is why almost half of your body weight is just muscle. And that's the reason you can walk, talk, smile, blink, breathe, even your heart pumping, that's muscle. So basically, muscles help you move, stand straight, stay warm, support joints, circulate blood, everything. Part 2, Types of muscles. 1. Skeletal muscles. Look at your biceps, that's a skeletal muscle. You control it. That's why it's called voluntary muscle. 2. Smooth muscles. Now look, your stomach, intestines, blood vessels, all these have smooth muscles. And you can't control them. That's why digestion keeps happening even when you sleep. 3. Cardiac muscle. And this is special. Your heart muscle. It never gets tired. It beats from the day you are born till your last breath. Part 3, Structure of a skeletal muscle. Think of a muscle like a big rope. Inside that rope, there are many smaller ropes called fascicles. Inside those, even smaller threads called muscle fibers. And finally, tiny units called sarcomeres. Now see, inside the sarcomere we have two proteins, actin and myosin. This is the magic pair. When they slide over each other, that's when your muscle contracts. That's why you can move. Part 4, How muscles contract.
Look, here's how it works. Your brain sends a message. Nerve releases acetylcholine. Muscle gets the signal. Calcium comes out. Actin and myosin slide. Muscle contracts. That's it. And when the signal stops, the muscle relaxes.
Part 5, Types of movements. Look at this, when you bend your elbow, that's flexion. When you straighten it back, that's extension. If you lift your arm sideways, that's abduction. Bringing it back, that's adduction. Turning your head left-right, rotation. Making a circle with your arm, circumduction. Palm up, supination. Palm down, pronation. Foot up, dorsiflexion. Foot down like pressing the accelerator, plantar flexion. Part 6, Major muscle groups. Look at your upper body, deltoid, pectorals, trapezius, latissimus dorsi. Your arms, biceps, triceps. Your legs, quadriceps, hamstrings, calf muscles. See. Your whole body is a powerhouse of muscles. Part 7, Common muscle problems. Ever had a muscle cramp? That's sudden pain. That's because of dehydration or low minerals. Sprain means ligament injury. Strain means muscle or tendon injury. That's why knowing the difference matters. Muscular dystrophy, genetic muscle weakness. Myasthenia gravis, muscles get tired easily. Tendinitis, inflamed tendon. And that completes day 3 of our anatomy challenge. Look, you understood muscles, movements, structure, everything. But let me tell you something important. You did so well today. More than you know. I know life is heavy sometimes. Studies, stress, pressure. But still you showed up today. That's why I say, you're stronger than you think. Every chapter you finish is one step closer to your dream. Don't let today's tiredness block tomorrow's success. So breathe, relax, trust yourself. Day 4, Cardiovascular System, is waiting for you tomorrow. And look, I'll be right here with you, step by step, until you reach the place your heart wants to be. See you tomorrow. You're not alone in this journey.